It looks like some LPs coming in, which may not mean.
I kind of do it for you.
We've got John recorded right here. Isn't that neat? You can stomp your feet here.
Actually, we all start doing that in one drop. We can probably get about a 2 hertz signal on that, right?
Yeah, except you got to get together. Obviously, we're not coordinated.
Wait, let me get a wide shot of that.
Hey, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good
Yeah.
low frequency signal.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, that's bad news.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you definitely don't ever want to see that.
Yeah, move that baby over
Yeah,
a little
you
bit.
don't ever want to see that.